Okay, let's start drawing this model. So the base picture is this side here. So we are going to draw on the right plane. Sketch. Bend down a little bit. Okay, let's draw the profile. Approximately. Look at the inference line so that you get the geometry correct. Okay, let's dimension. The I accidentally hit the dot there. 25, 15, 35. So it's fully defined. For the feature, the stroke boss 25. Okay, wait, 25. So the next step is to create this cut. So on this space, so I create this space. Okay. Normal two. So I'm going to draw a 3-point arc. Dimension this one 35. Remember, it must be coincident. Next, we want to dimension this portion here. So to dimension this portion, when I click this edge here, I must press the shift key and click the arc. Only then you can measure, you can dimension in this way. Step 5. So we can extrude cut 25 mm. So we go to feature, extrude cut. So now we are in the right direction. So make it 25. Anyway, the dimension are important, so make it 25. Oh, I made a mistake. Click edit feature. That means I must flip side to cut. I must cut only this portion. Okay, now we are done. Next, we are going to create a plane. We know that the angle here is 150 degrees. So how to create a plane 150 degrees? So let me go to the reference plane. Select this space as your first reference. And then the angle, I make it 300. Got it. You must select the edge also. Select the edge. Select the edge as your second reference. And then you give 300 degrees. So the edge I select wrongly. So I can delete. I can select this edge. So you can see that the plane is now it's correct. Oh, I get 300 degrees. So here I give you a calculation. So this line is the plane that you create from here to this 150. So now I draw two lines 90 degree apart. So 90. So 150. So here should be 60. Because 150 minus 90, you get 60. So 60 here should be 30. And then corresponding angle here 30. So the 300 degree is from this line that you rotate until here. So you take 180 plus 90 plus 30, you get 300. Okay. So now we are going to sketch on this plane. Sketch number 2. So let me give so let me draw a line. We draw a line. We give an up. Click escape. Okay, I make the plane. I hide the plane. So I want this point and this here to be coincident. Okay, coincident. And okay, let me come here and see. So now I need to make this point coincident as well. So this one and this edge, I want it to be coincident. Okay, let me clear it. So this point and the edge here, coincident. So number 2. Okay. So the only dimension that to make this sketch, because I think there's a missing dimension here. So maybe I just drag here a little bit up. So maybe I dimension this one here. They make 8 mm. So now the sketch is fully defined. So up to next, we are going to go to feature, extrude. I'm going to change the direction. Then up to next. Okay. Okay. Maybe remove the sketches. Okay. The next step is to create the 2 hole here. So I select the top plane. This one, not this one. So this one, then I got trouble. I got to repeat the step. Click here. Okay. Number 2. We draw circle. Okay. We draw another circle. Dimension this one. 10. Okay. We make these 2 circles equal. let's dimension the distance from here to this edge here is 15. Here, 10. And then relation again. I want this circle and this circle. No, I must select the center point. So make it vertical. So that means I only need 2 dimensions 10 here. So I dimension. Make it 10. So it's fully defined. So extrude cut. True. The next, I'm going to extrude the hole here. Click, sketch, draw circle. Pick up the center point. Hold it. Let's hold. Just wait for a while. And then this one 20. Feature. So cut. So and the last part is here. So this is something I'll take a sketch. Number 2. So I draw a corner rectangle. The dimension this one 35 here, 35. And this distance 30. The feature extrude cut. Okay, draw. And our model is completed. Thanks for watching the video.